Understanding the role of a community leader. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and important term in the English language, community leader. Whether you're learning English for personal, academic, or professional reasons, understanding such terms is crucial. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and significance of being a community leader. A community leader is someone who is recognized within a community for their ability to guide, influence, and represent the people in that community. This role is not just about a title. It's about the actions and impact one has. A community leader can be anyone, from a local politician to a school teacher, or even a respected resident. What makes them stand out is their dedication, influence, and commitment to the well-being of their community. Community leaders often share certain traits that enable them to be effective in their role. These include 1. Empathy, understanding and sharing the feelings of others. 2. Integrity, being honest and having strong moral principles. 3. Communication skills, ability to communicate effectively with all community members. 4. Responsibility, taking ownership of their actions and decisions. 5. Visionary, having a clear idea of what they want to achieve for the community. Understanding these characteristics helps us recognize and appreciate the efforts of community leaders around us. Community leaders play a pivotal role in shaping the environment and quality of life in their communities. They advocate for the community's needs and interests, inspire others to participate and contribute to community initiatives, mediate conflicts and promote harmony, mobilize resources for community development and support. Their impact can be seen in various aspects of community life, from education and health to local governance and social activities. That's all about community leaders. They are the pillars who hold communities together, drive change, and ensure that everyone's voice is heard. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of what it means to be a community leader and the remarkable role they play in our societies. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.